Hi, this is Trevor with Indoor Places. I'm here with Shlomo of BS Locksmithing out in his new office off Peoria Street in Aurora, Colorado. Shlomo, it's nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Why don't you share how you got started in the locksmithing trade and about how long you've been doing it?
Yeah, I'm the owner, Shlomo Ben Izri, owner of BS Locksmith LLC. We are in Aurora, Colorado right now. I have been locksmith for more than 13 years in the Aurora, Colorado, and the Denver Metro. I do specialize in residential, commercials, and 24/7 lockout services. And I do have license insurance right here. If you need us, you can contact us anytime. Call me directly, 720-372-8577, or text me, and I will answer any questions. Thank you.
Of course, and you have a website, you're online as well too. What's your website?
Website bs-locksmith.com. You can look on our website. We do residential, commercial rekey, change locks, repairs, push bars for commercials, and any questions, please call us, feel free, and I'm available all the time.
All right, well, thank you for your time and good luck with the new location.
Thank you.
Bye.